In this tutorial, we'll learn how to send gameplay data, such as scores, player names, or quiz results, from Unreal Engine to Google Sheets using the VaRest plugin and Google Apps script. Before we start, ensure you have Unreal Engine installed, the VaRest plugin enabled, a Google account for Sheets. Step 1. Create a new Google Sheet. For this tutorial, we'll name it Unreal Data. Now add username, score, time spent, and status. Now click on the extension and select App Script. This will open a new window. Now type or paste the code here. Now click on Deploy and select New Deployment. On the settings, select Web App and select Access to Anyone, and click on Deploy. Give Authorize Access and select your account. Select Advanced and choose Go to the project. Scroll down and select Allow. Now copy the URL and select Done. Back in Unreal Engine, enable the VaRest plugin from the Plugins menu and restart the editor. Now right-click on the content browser and create a game instance. Name it as GI Update. Now open the game instance and create event in it. Call the VaRest subsystem and construct JSON object. Now promote this to variable. Drag and set string field for username, score, time spent, and status. Now drag a node from VaRest subsystem and type call URL. Select post and change it JSON. Now paste the link you copied from the app script from Google. Create a callback custom event and leave it empty. Now assign the field name username, score, time spent, and status. Enter random values to check. Go to Project Settings and assign the game instance you created. Now click on Launch button and you see the magic, it will update in Google Sheet. Now create a widget and open it. Create a simple text box and checkbox as required for the sheet. Create a button called Update. In Game Instance, delete the event in it and create a custom event and name it as Update Data. Now convert the string number and Boolean to a variable so that you can set the value from anywhere by calling the variable. Open the widget in the on-click Update button, get Game Instance and cast to the GI Update Game Instance. Now you can set the variable that we promoted earlier. Assign the each value to appropriate types. Now call the custom event from the instance, so it will update the value on the UI when the user clicks the button. Assign the each value to appropriate types. In Level Blueprint, create a widget and assign the widget we created and add to viewport. Get player controller and set show mouse cursor to true. Now let's try updating the value. Thank you for watching. For more Unreal Engine tutorials and XR development tips, connect with me via LinkedIn.